Here we come to the outdoor elevator near the front entrance of the Tucson Mall in Tucson, Arizona. This is elevator number 8, and it's an Otis Series 6. Egg lantern. Let's get a CAD view. Installed in 2008. Otis store equipment. Egg lantern. And let's go up to 2. One of the buttons has been replaced. Let's go up to 2. Listen to the motor. A little bit low on oil. Got the egg lantern there. Let's ring the bell up here. 1 chime for down. Capacity level is blank, but we'll go down to 1. 2 of the buttons have been replaced actually. Door open and 2. It's a very nice elevator. Basic, but runs pretty good being low on oil. Much better than the one in Macy's garage. It's an Otis. The nice egg lantern. It's securely attached, which is good. And here it goes. And as a side note, I believe the capacity is 2,500 pounds, but the label is blank. It's it's faded, so I can't see it. So anyways, that's gonna be it.